my name is Mutiba and you are watching Code with Mutiba. In today's video, I will teach you a complete Python project called the Clinic Appointment Token System. This project is perfect for beginners and you can easily run it in idle software. I am currently using idle software and recently I wrote this program and save it in a file. Now I will open it and let me explain you in detail. So the first statement of this program, print and equals to, this print a line of equal to characters to make the interface visually neat, and its purpose is to decorative separator for headings or sections. Second line shows a message welcome to clinic appointment token system, and the third line also for the decoration. The fourth line token equals to 1. It initializes a variable name token to 1. This will be used to assign the first patient token number. The next line, while true, it starts an infinite loop, meaning the menu will keep showing until explicitly stopped. The next line, print and \n .new appointment. \n is basically a escape sequence and used for new line spacing. New appointment, this line displays the first menu option and create a new appointment. And the next line, print to full stop exit. This displays the second menu option. The next line, this choice equals to input, enter your choice 1 or 2. It asks the user to input their choice and stores it in choice. Input is stored as a string, so comparison should be with 1 or 2. The next line, if choice equals to 1, checks whether the user entered 1 to create a new appointment. If yes, then execute the following block. The statement name equals to input, enter your patient name, age equals to input, enter your patient age, and the problem input, enter the patient problem. These statements used to take input from the patient. Then in the next line, print \n appointment confirm. This statement prints a confirmation message after taking patient's detail. In the next line, print token number. This shows token number assigned to the patient. The next line, patient name. The next line, age, and the next problem. This also shows the input taken from the patient. The next line, token equals to token plus 1. This shows increments the token number for the next patient. And the next, else if choice equals to 2, it is used to check the user's choice 2 to exit the program. Then the next line will display a message, thank you message before exiting. The next line, print Hafiz, also displays a polite farewell message, and break statement is used to stop the infinite loop and ends the program. Else statement is used to run if user enters any value other than 1 or 2. And the last statement, print invalid choice. This shows an error message for invalid input. So let me show you output of this program. If we enter here 1, enter. My name is Mutiba, so Mutiba, enter. Suppose my age is 5 years. enter my program is figure enter. So if we enter here 2, if we enter 1, then the whole process will be repeat. If we enter here 2, enter, then this shows a message, thank you for using clinic token system and Hafiz. So if the user enters 2, the program does it goes to if-elif choice equals to 2 block, and it prints the message thank you and the Hafiz. So alright friends, that's it for today's project. I hope you enjoyed learning how to create a clinic appointment token system in Python. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, comment and subscribe to my channel for more Python tutorials. Share it with your friends who want to learn programming too. Thank you so much for watching, and I will see you in the next video.